Apple is once again ready to set the tech world abuzz with its blend of innovation and style, and this year, the iPhone 17 Air might be the most interesting breakthrough yet. Just as the world's lightest, thinnest flagship is about to step into the spotlight, new leaks and reports are shining light on how Apple is addressing two of the biggest challenges in smartphone engineering: managing performance in ultra-thin devices and making phones easier, safer, and more convenient to carry. Let's start with the star of 2024, the iPhone 17 Air. At a mind-blowing 5.5mm thick, the Air is lining up to be Apple's slimmest smartphone ever. For style lovers and fans of minimalist tech, this phone is pure eye candy. But here's the thing, making a phone this thin isn't just about chopping off a few millimeters. It comes with serious engineering hurdles, especially when you're determined to keep bleeding-edge power under the hood. Past rumors worried that the iPhone 17 Air, with its ultra-compact chassis and relatively small battery, could suffer from thermal throttling, where heat forces the processor to slow down, killing performance for demanding apps and games. However, a brand new leak reveals that Apple has a plan, a cutting-edge technology called copper post. But what is copper post and why does it matter? Typically in modern electronics, the chips on your phone's logic board are connected using tiny solder balls. As the trend for slimmer devices accelerates, simply stacking things closer can lead to overheating, diminished battery life, and even problems with signal integrity. That's where copper post comes in. Developed by LG Innotek and now being co-opted by Apple, copper post replaces the typical solder balls with copper posts, topped with semicircular solder. This drastically reduces the area and height required for chips to operate, allowing for semiconductor substrates that are up to 20% smaller. For a device as thin as the iPhone 17 Air, these savings are massive. What does this mean for real-world performance? By miniaturizing the crucial logic components, Apple can fit the powerful A19 Pro chip alongside robust thermal management. And this copper post tech isn't just a one-trick pony. Reports indicate that a version of copper post already debuted in the iPhone 16e's communication module, and it could eventually help Apple's first foldable iPhone, where heat and spatial efficiency are both critical in a two-sided device. Is copper post better than the vapor chamber approach rumored for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max? Time will tell. Vapor chambers use liquid to move heat, usually in thicker Pro devices. Copper post is about smarter miniaturization, perfect for Air models where every micron counts. Now, while Apple's hardware gets thinner and more powerful, it's also addressing one of the oldest problems in mobile tech: how to carry your iPhone safely, comfortably, and in style. Enter the magnetic crossbody strap. The upcoming iPhone 17 lineup may launch with a crossbody strap accessory, one that ditches fussy clasps or clips for elegant integrated magnets. So why is this a big deal? For years, Apple has played it safe with basic cases and one-size-fits-all lanyard holes. Fans of portability have pieced together third-party straps or stuck with AirPods lanyards. With the crossbody strap, Apple seems to be focusing on real-world convenience, a secure hands-free way to wear or carry your device, using strong magnets for an instant seamless connection. Need your hands free for travel, photography, or running errands? Just snap on the strap and go. No more worrying about pockets, purses, or drops. Add this to Apple's constantly evolving accessory ecosystem, and you get a company responding directly to both function and fashion, understanding not just how we use our phones but how we live with them every day. Apple's solutions to making tech both functional and personal are what keep it ahead of the competition. Copper post takes on the battle of thinness versus performance, giving you a device that's stunning and usable, even in the most demanding conditions. Meanwhile, the crossbody strap is a small but clever move towards ultimate convenience, blending wearable with smartphone in a subtle but meaningful way. So what does the future hold? As we approach the iPhone 17 launch, keep your eyes peeled for real-world tests of the copper post approach, and for how much freedom and peace of mind Apple's new magnetic crossbody accessory can deliver. Whether you're a fan of cutting-edge chips or just want a smarter way to tote your tech, Apple's next moves are about to set new standards for both form and function. Again, are you ready for a slimmer, smarter iPhone you can actually wear? Hit subscribe for all the latest Apple leaks and reviews.